Wuxi Maxwell Automation Technology Company, Limited, is a leading manufacturer of industrial planetary mixers, vacuum emulsifying mixers, glue filling machines, capping machine and silicone sealant filling machines. Maxwell has over 18 years of expertise and has developed immensely in the research, design, manufacture, sale, and service of different mixing machine and filling equipment used for various products such as lotions, creams, paste, sauces, gel, paints, epoxy resin, lithium battery slurry, grease, sealant and adhesives, across the food, cosmetics, chemical and pharmaceutical industries in more than 90 countries worldwide. Maxwell integrate development, manufacturing and sales, serving as the primary factory with a strong price advantage. Maxwell has a registered capital of $10,000,000 and its facility in Jiangsu, China covers an area of 14,000 square meters. It holds a manufacturing license and has obtained the LSO 9001 certificate and the CE certificate, both attesting to the high quality, high standard and excellence of its products and services. Maxwell promises reasonable prices, high quality products, and excellent after-sales service as our tenet. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual development and benefits. We welcome client contact and your visit to our factory.